Hey, good morning everybody. Finally getting around to getting this video out to you. This is the MD-10-32 by Kabco. It's also called the Lynnox by some dealerships, and you can find it that way on the website. That's a Lynnox. It's a 32 by 64 box, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This floor plan is one of my particular favorites. I've loved it for several years. You can find it with several different builders, but it's just a great layout. One of the good things about Kabco is they're super customizable, so we've customized this one a little bit. You can see the LP shutters on the exterior of this house. Also, all those tie downs sticking down. That means this is a wind zone too. We got the accent here under the dormer of a vinyl cedar shake. It's really nice, gives you that pop from the street, and we love this layout. Let's go in and check it out. It's a beautiful brown door as well. And we just put furniture in here, so it's not quite arranged how we like, so y'all forgive us for the slightly sloppy nature. I couldn't wait to show it to you any longer. You walk into a wide open living room. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see it. You got a wide open living room. Actually crosses across this marriage line here. Has this shiplap electric fireplace. Of course, you can do a wood burning fireplace with stone accents around it. And as we said, it is that wide open floor plan. See these beautiful beams in here, giving that homey look. 3 windows letting in a lot of natural light. I think I've talked about it before in several of their homes. They have what's called painted gyp board, painted sheetrock, or you can do the wall board. This has the painted gyp here in the living room. That's why you see the chair rail halfway there. It'd be completed once it's on site. And those beams would be capped off as well. You also have the painted gyp in the dining room and the master bedroom. You can do the painted sheetrock throughout. And one of the things we love about Kabco is they are doing the soft close doors on their cabinets now, and that is super nice. They haven't quite added it to the drawers yet, but we'll get there eventually, I'm sure. And they are wood doors on the cabinets as well. Wide open kitchen space, a lot of countertop space. Now, if you look at this floor plan on the website, you'll probably see an option to do a desk right here. We chose to do a pantry, just give you a little extra storage. And they do offer the wood shelves as well. That wire rack is a standard for them. Kind of a little sloppy here in our setup there with all the extra stuff we got to go hang up and make this house look even prettier. But you do have 3 windows on the end, 2 windows there. It gives you a lot of natural light. Makes it a very bright setup. One of my favorite things about this home is this utility room. It's very functional. You see your nice sink there with countertop on either side, extra storage there, and then your washer and dryer will go right here. You see your whole home shut off, which is always nice. And then over here we got a little locker built in. Beautiful back door as well. Breaker box is easy access. Water heater right here is easy access as well. And then even room for a freezer. So that's a great functional utility room. Also gives you an end exit. And I always tend to like that because a lot of people tend to park on the sides of the home. I've had people rearrange this kitchen a couple of times, but this tends to be our classic setup here and one of our favorites as well. Now, if you've watched the Shiloh video on my channel, you'll notice that they're very similar in their setup. I think the front door is a little bit different placement, and I've seen that front door right there get placed here where it's closer to the kitchen. That's something easily can be done with Kabco as well. Another reason a lot of people love this, it's right at 1,920 square feet, which means that not only do you get the open floor plan, but you get big guest bedrooms, and that's always really important. You see this is a little bit larger than your average queen size bed, but there's still a lot of room in here for extras. Put a dresser, put a desk, whichever you like, and it's a large closet as well. Of course, you can double hang racks on one of these walls or both of these walls if you wanted to give your kids more storage. And you'll also see this wallboard here. And of course, like I said, you can option in to do the painted sheetrock throughout, and that's definitely something you can do. This bedroom is similar size to the other. I think it's a little bit skinnier, maybe a couple inches, but not much. And it has the same large closet there, which is really nice. Don't mind the little window unit there. We use that to keep our lot models cool. You can actually, the home actually comes included in the price with central air. And for pricing, this house right now is right around 150 to order. It can go a little bit higher, possibly. Today is October 28th of 2025, so just depending on price increases and stuff like that. Now, I didn't point it out here, but one of the things I like, you got your sink here, and it's separated by a second door from the toilet and the tub shower combo, which is fiberglass. And of course it is porcelain sinks. It doesn't have the metal faucets in here, but you can option them in. But that extra door gives you a little bit more privacy. Another thing I didn't point out in the kitchen is you don't have drawers over the doors. That is an option to easily option in. Just costs a couple $100 to do it. Gives you a little bit more storage as well. And you can always add pot and pan drawers as well. Let's go check out this master bedroom, which is huge. Of course, y'all notice there's carpet in there. We see a lot of people that don't want carpet in the homes anymore, and so you can add this flooring here. They have multiple different styles, and there would be no transition bar here at the marriage line with this, because each one is an individual hand-laid tile. It's an upgrade vinyl. It's thicker than linoleum, more resistant to scratching, and also great for blocking water, stuff like that. It's also OSB flooring under the home, but you can do plywood if you want. And we also option in 2x4 outer or 2x4 walls throughout at 16-inch centers. You can upgrade to have 2x6 exterior walls if you choose, and it does have 2x8 floor joists because it is a 32 wide. With Kabco, you get 2x6 on the 28 wides. It's a beautiful bathroom. I love the double door presentation here. Of course, you can do a singular door if you want, but you come in and you have one of their new showers, which is great because this shower is available even if you do the wallboard. If you do the painted sheetrock, you have access to the ceramic tile showers, but it is huge. Got the nice rain shower head here, and I love how we have the handle right here, so when I want to turn on the shower, I don't have to get under the water to do it. Got a nice setup with the sinks, dual sinks, lots of extra storage for towels and whatnot, and it is pretty deep as well. You got the big 5-foot tub. You see it's very wide, it's very deep, with that window right beside it. Gives you a lot of that extra natural light. Y'all know I love that. And then you have the private water closet here. Now, some folks don't like the claustrophobic feel of it. I tend to call this the YouTube room or the TikTok room, so you can go in there and watch your videos. But if you want it to be open, that is perfectly fine, and I've had people do that. We typically take that toilet and turn it sideways here, and then we'll be able to put more storage next to the shower, or even do a larger shower. You got a nice big closet here as well. It's got some of the upgrade shelving in it. Gives it more of that clean look. Doesn't have the wire racks in it, but you also have the double hung, so you have more space to hang lowers and uppers and whatever else you want to do. And of course, you can double rack it all around if you wanted to. It's just a great layout. Lots of storage, which we love. Lots of entertaining space, but also it's just perfect for any family. And 150 is a great price point on it right now. I'm absolutely loving that. Now, if you do the painted sheetrock, you are probably going to get closer to the 160, and you can even get up around the 170 price range by adding extra options in as well. But you can also get down to around 140 if you don't do the painted gypboard or the painted sheetrock. So you got a large price range to work with on this house, and still have a lot of beautiful options like the upgrade stove, stainless side-by-side refrigerator, microwave built in, all the stuff I didn't even point out earlier, like the great cubbies here on the side of your island, places to sit and hang out while somebody's in here. It's just a wonderful home. Y'all have any questions about this home or any of the other homes that you see on this channel? Give me a call at Bolton Homes, 318-487-1819. Of course, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you'd like to follow the channel and see more videos, some of them silly, some of them tours, some of them information on financing and insurance, go ahead and hit that follow. And of course, always thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day.